press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. As in the previous session, we discussed about birds' beaks and birds' feet and claws. See, birds have special structure that it is a beak. See, normally this beak helps to eat food and hold the food also. As see, different birds have different types of beaks. See, some birds have strong, sharp and pointed hooked beak, and some birds have hooked beak, and some birds beaks are needle-like structure, and some birds beaks are broad and flat. Why? Because depending upon their food habits, different birds have different beaks. Okay, yes. About feet and claws. See, birds have 2 feet and 4 claws. See, normally most of birds' claws are 3 are front and one of them is a back side. And see, some birds' claws and feet are very strong. See, for example, flesh-eating birds, they have very strong and sharp claws. See, this one helps to hold the food and also it helps to tear the flesh of other animals. So you know, flesh-eating animals eat flesh. They want to tear that flesh. Say they see this one sharp claws or helps to tear the flesh. And then some birds feet and claws are flexible, so it helps to stand on branches. Say for example, pigeon, peacock, say these all. And some birds have climbing claws. See, normally in these birds, for example, woodpecker. See, woodpecker claws are 2 front and 2 in back. See, this one helps to climb the tree. See, normally this woodpecker is always stand on tree trunk to bark the tree. So that's why. See, this climbing birds have 2 claws front and 2 claws are back. And then some birds are wading birds. Say for example, see, crane. See, these all have long feet and their claws are very distant. So, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ದೂರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And then in water birds, see, normally in water birds, their claws are very different. Why? Because in between the claws there is some structure that it is a skin. So, web-like structure irutte, means skin irutte. See, this one helps to swim in water. See, these are about water birds. Yes, dear students, in the last class we learned about this feet and claws also. Today we are going to discuss about birds' feathers and wings. See, you know, birds are flight, isn't it? Yes, birds are flight. Today we are going to discuss about birds' flight. As you know, birds, you all love birds. Why? Because it's very cute and it's very small and they are flying in the sky. See, this one interesting thing is attracts to us to like the birds. So, ಈ birds ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು birdsನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ birds ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ? So, how birds fly? Yes, you know, birds fly in the sky. Isn't it? See, birds fly in the sky with the help of wings. Birds are flying in the sky with the help of wings, isn't it? Yes, right. See, normally birds ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ wings. See, this one is a very beautiful creature in this birds, isn't it? Yes, right. Yes, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ wings ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಲ್ಲ birds ಹಾರಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Yes, you know, birds have 2 wings. Yes, birds have 2 wings. See, all birds have two wings. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಎರಡು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಐತೆ. See, because of these wings, birds are fly. See, birds have two wings, but most of birds are fly in the sky. But some birds cannot fly. Why? See, many problems, many reasons are there. See. ಎಸ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು ವಿಂಗ್ಸಿಂದ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವು ಹಾರಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಎರಡು ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾರಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಾರಾಡೋದಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಎರಡು ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾರಾಡಿದರೆ ಹಾರ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವು ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಏನದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು? ಹಾರಾಡುವಂಥ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ? ಯಾಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹಾರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹಾರಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಈಗ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸಿ, ಯು ನೋ, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ wings, birds are fly in the sky. See, why? Because for many reasons. The first one reason is birds have streamlined body. See, birds are have streamlined body or board shape body. See, streamlined body means what? See, streamlined body means, see, the end of the body is a sharp end and the middle part is broad. See, for example, like this. So ಈ end part ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, sharp ಇದೆ, and middle part is broad. See, this one streamlined body or a board shaped body helps to reduce the resistance of air and it helps to penetrate air. So ಗಾಳಿಯನ್ನು ಸೀಳಿ ಹಾರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು streamlined body ಅಂತೀವಿ, and also board shaped body. See, this type body have not only birds and fish also this type of body. So birds ಅಲ್ಲೂ fish ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, streamlined body ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Yes, have you seen fish? See, birds have streamlined body. See, both ends are sharp and middle part is what? Broad. See, this one helps to reduce the resistance of water. So that's why fish are easily swim in water. See, as well as birds also have streamlined body, means board shaped body. See, this one helps to fly in the sky. See, have you seen aeroplane? So aeroplane ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೂಲ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್? ಸೊ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನು ಸಹಿತ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಚೂಪಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಚೂಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಗಾಳಿನ ಸೀಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನಿಗೂ ಏನಿದೆ, ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೆ, ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆದರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ಗಾಳಿನ ಸೀಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲಾಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ನ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟಾಗಿ. Okay, see, this one main thing helps to birds fly. Which one? Birds have streamlined body. See, this one thing helps to birds fly. And next one thing is, see, birds have lightweight hollow bones. See, birds have next one point is birds have light weight and hollow bones. See, you know, birds are vertebrate, means see, birds have backbones. So vertebrate andre gottalva, andre birds are with a bone, so that's why birds are vertebrate. See, birds have light weight and hollow bones. So birds na body weight ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಗುರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಲೋ ಬೋನ್ಸ್. ಹಾಲೋ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಮೂಳೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಮೂಳೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಏರ್. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಟ್ ವೇಟ್, ಹಾಲೋ bones. And next one is strong muscles. Strong muscles are attached to wings. See, this one is also helps to fly in the sky easily. So normally muscles ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವೀಗ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ, ಸೊ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಕೈ ಬೀಸೋಣ, ಎಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ಕೈ ಬೀಸಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? 2 minutes 5 minutes ತನಕ ಬೀಸ್ತೀರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೆಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೈ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಮಸಲ್ಸು ವಿಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ಕೈನ ಹೀಗೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ ಹಾರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ತನಕ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ರೆಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೈ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ವೀಕ್ ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ birds have special muscles. See, this one is are flexible and also it helps to fly in the sky. See, there are many reasons birds fly in the sky. So first one is birds have wings. So birds have 2 wings. See, this one is also helps to birds to fly. As most of birds are fly in the sky, but some birds are not fly in the sky. Okay, as birds have streamlined body or a board shaped body. See, this one is helps to reduce the rate of air. Okay, next, birds have light weight and hollow bones. See, birds have what? Light weight and hollow bones. See, this one main thing is helps to birds to fly, and they have a strong muscles or attached to wings. See, these are all points or helps to birds to fly. Okay, ಈಗ birds fly ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So because for these many reasons, okay, some birds cannot fly. Why? Some birds cannot fly. Example, ostrich, emu, kiwi. See, these are all birds cannot fly. Why? Because for many reasons that it is birds cannot fly. See, birds, some birds cannot fly. See, these are birds have wings, but they cannot fly. Why? Because mainly, see, these birds have heavy weight. See, because of heavy weight. See, this one main thing is birds cannot fly. See, you know, so birds have light weight and hollow bones. See, this one is helps to birds to fly. See, birds cannot fly. Why? Because main point that it is birds have heavy weight. So adra mai bhara irutte. And then see, they have weak wings. So another one reason that it is they have weak wings. See, birds cannot fly. Why? Because they have weak wings. See, this one reason is also they birds that cannot fly. Okay, so you know, birds cannot fly. So example, ostrich, and then emu, kiwi. See, these are all etc. So these are all birds cannot fly. So ಈ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹೆವಿ ವೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ostrich is the biggest bird in the earth. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಂತಹ ಪಕ್ಷಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚ್ನ ಲೆಗ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗಿಂತ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ರನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಈ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಿಚಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ aquatic birds that it is penguin. See this penguins also cannot fly. Why? Because they have heavy weight and weak wings. But see this one wings are helps to swim in water. So normally wings help ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ penguin birds ಅಲ್ಲಿ see their wings are helps to swim in water. See these wings are look like a paddle. So paddle like a flippery like a structure irutte. See this one is helps to swim in water. Okay, see for these main reasons birds are can fly, birds are cannot fly. See ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಕ್ಕೆನ ಬಡಿತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಕ್ಕೆನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಹಾರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಿ normally these birds have 4 limbs. See normally animals have 4 limbs. So normal agi animals ge 4 limbs irutte. In these 4 limbs birds 2 front limbs or 4 limbs are modified into what? Wings. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಮುಂದಿರುವಂತಹ 2 ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 2 ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಂಡ್ ಲಿಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಡ್ ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ 2 feet. It's modified into what? 2 feet. See for example we also have 4 limbs. So namigu 4 limbs ide. See our front limbs means 4 limbs are modified into arms. So namma 2 limbs enagide, arms means kaigalagide, and hind limbs are our legs. So namma hind limbs enagide, kaalgalagide. Okay, see in animals, so example dog, cat, horse, elephant. See these animals 4 limbs are used for to walk, run, for movement. For their movement they use. Okay, these are animals. See some animals are moved with the help of hind limbs. Hind limbs ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಾಲುಗಳಿಂದ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. For example kangaroo. See this kangaroo use their hind limbs for movement. So jump ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See but in birds they also have 4 limbs. Front 2 limbs or 4 limbs, it's a wings, it's modified into wings. Okay, means 2 wings. And then back limbs or hind limbs, it's modified into what? 2 feet and 4 claws. Okay, see normally these wings are move their wings for in the time of flying. So ಹೇಗೆ ಬಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂದರೆ ದೇ ಮೂವ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ upwards and downwards, means it is called upstroke and downstroke. There are 2 movements. Upstroke and downstroke. See these 2 movements or helps to birds fly in the sky. See for example, see I will show you. See this one thumb finger is a bird body ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ thumb finger ನಾವು bird body ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. See these fingers and this one palm is a bird's what wings. So ಇದು bird body, ಇದು wings ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಬೋತ್ ಥಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್. Up stroke, down stroke, up stroke, down stroke. See, these two movements are helps to birds fly in the sky. Okay, understood? Yes, birds are fly in the sky for many reasons because of they have two wings. See, these two wings are attached with a strong muscles. See, when they are two movements, that it is upstroke and downstroke, it helps to fly in the sky. See, most of birds are fly in the sky because of they have a lightweight and streamlined body and strong muscles are attached to this bird. So that's why it's easily fly in the sky. And some birds cannot fly by because they have a heavy weight and weak wings. So that's why. Okay. Yes, these are all about birds flight. So ಯಾಕೆ ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಹಾರಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿದೆ. Okay. See, next we are going to learn about birds feathers. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಫೆದರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫೆದರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗರಿಗಳು. ಎಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಸಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ವೆದರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ವೆದರ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ parrot are birds feathers are green in color. It's a really very beautiful color. And see, peacock feathers are really, it's a wonder. So it's a very beautiful and it's a very different color peacock birds have. Isn't it? As have you seen? Yes, right. See, next we are going to learn about birds feathers. See, normally birds have three kinds of feathers. So birds ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 kinds of feathers ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Birds feathers. Okay, see, birds have 3 kinds of feathers. Okay, different birds have different color feathers, isn't it? Different color feathers. Yes, see, birds feathers are classified into or divided into 3 types. See, 3 types. First one is down feathers. Second one is flight feathers. Third one is tail feathers. See, normally birds have, say all birds have 3 kinds of feathers, that it is down feather, flight feather, and then third one is tail feather. Okay, see, first we have to know about down feathers. See, normally this down feathers are attached to their own body. So adra body skin ಗೆ near ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ down feathers ಇರುತ್ತೆ. See, normally these down feathers are very small, soft and fluffy. See, down feathers, they are small, soft and they are fluffy. Okay, see, normally these down feathers are keep them warm. So they keep bird's body warm. See what happens, you know, so normally birds are spend most of time in the sky, so in the time of flying purpose. So normal agi birds tana durations they spend the most of time in sky, so in the fly agutte. See what happens, you know, so birds are warm blooded animal, okay, but see this one down feathers are helps them to keep them warm. See for example, when you going travel, so ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಂಡೋ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೂತಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಾಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ತಣ್ಣನೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತಣ್ಣ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ವೆಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆನ ಮುಚ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಇಯರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಾಟನ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. So these are all things keep them warm. See like this, see this down feathers. See normally these down feathers are very small and soft and fluffy. See these down feathers keep them warm. Keep them warm. See normally down feathers is like this. So normal agi down feathers ee tara irutte. Down feathers is like this. See now feather anta tashna hige udda iruttalla, so but this one down feathers are small, fluffy and soft. It's look like this, okay, yes, right. See next one feather, that it is flight feather. So next one feather is flight feather. See this flight feather, see this name only tells. See flight means, see it helps to fly in the sky. See normally these flight feathers are attached to their wings, okay. See flight feathers are, they are attached to the wings and it helps to fly. See normally flight feathers na feather it's look like this. So flight feather structure is like this. So this one flight feathers are attached to their wings. So flight feather feathers ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ and this one helps to fly in the sky. See this is about flight feathers. Next one feather, that it is tail feather. So third one is tail feathers. See normally this tail feather, see this tail feather is attached to their tail. So tail feathers ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೈಲಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. See it's see normally tail feather and then flight feathers, they are both similar but it's a little bit small. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಅಗಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಗಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So which one? Tail feathers. See normally this tail feathers are attached to their tail. Tail feathers are attached to tail and this one tail feathers is helps to change the direction. See, normally tail feathers are helps to changing the direction. Changing the direction, and also it helps to while birds are land on the ground. So ಅದು ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆಲದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಟೇಲ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೇಲ್ ಫೆದರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟು ದೇರ್ ಟೇಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ಸಿ today we discussed about birds flight and their feathers. See, birds are flight. Why? Because with the help of wings birds are fly in the sky. See, the birds are fly in the sky. Why? Because there are many reasons also they have. See, first one, they have a streamlined body, means a boat shaped body. So it helps to fly in the sky. And next one, see, birds are fly with the help of they have a lightweight and hollow bones, and also strong muscles are attached to their wings. See, these are all helps to birds to fly. See, all birds have two wings, but most of birds are fly in the sky, but some birds are cannot fly. Why? Because they have a heavy body and they have a weak wings. See, this may cause the birds cannot fly. Example, ostrich, kiwi, emu. Okay, and see, this ostrich is a very biggest bird in the world sky, and this ostrich is also one of the example for very fast running animal. Okay, next, see, birds are a fly. See, they have a four limbs. Front four limbs are modified into wings, and backward limbs, hind limbs, are modified into what? Feet and claws. See, there are two movements in wings. That one is upstroke and downstroke. See, this one is also helps to fly in the sky. Next one thing is birds have feathers. See, different birds have different color feathers, isn't it? See, some birds have a green color feathers, some birds feathers are a grey color, and one of the peacock, see, peacock feathers are very colorful and very attractive and beautiful also. Yes. Next, there are three kinds of feathers. See, down feathers, flight feathers, and then third one is tail feathers. See, down feathers are a soft, fluffy, and then it's a small. It's attached to their skin, and they keep the body warm. So it keeps the bird's body warm. And next one feather, that it is flight feathers. See, these flight feathers are attached to their wings. See, this one flight feather is helps to fly in the sky. And next one, third one feather, that it is a tail feather. See, tail feather is are attached to their tail, and see, this one tail feather is helps to change the direction. It helps to changing the direction. See, you know, so birds are not fly in the same direction. So ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So why? Because see, this tail birds are helps to change direction. Okay, see, these are all about birds feathers. Yes, in the next class we are going to learn about birds nest habits. See, have you seen birds nest? Yes, about nest habits we will learn in the next class. Okay, yes, thank you my dear students.